Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Pack Garden Trellis for climbing plants outdoors, a versatile and durable solution for your gardening needs. Crafted from metal tubes with a PE plastic coating, this trellis is rust-proof and waterproof, designed to withstand all weather conditions, ensuring a long-lasting support for your plants. Its adjustable design allows you to customize the height according to the specific needs of different plants and their growth cycles, making it ideal for a wide variety of climbing plants, from cucumbers and tomatoes to peas and jasmine. Installation is a breeze with its flush-mounted design and plastic clips, eliminating the need for tools and saving you time and effort. Standing at 65 inches tall, the trellis's three-dimensional design encourages upward growth, maximizing space efficiency and allowing you to create lush, green scenery even in limited areas. Not only is it practical, but this garden trellis also adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor space, seamlessly blending with flowers and other horticultural elements to enhance your garden's aesthetic appeal. Whether you're looking to support indoor potted plants or outdoor vines, this garden trellis offers both functionality and beauty, making it a must-have addition to any garden enthusiast's toolkit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.